Every day in the workplace, data doesn't just sit safely inside your company. It moves, it gets copied, it gets shared, and often, it gets exposed. Copying files to a USB drive is one of the easiest ways for data to leave the company. Sending sensitive files by email can instantly expose critical information. Once files are downloaded locally without protection, control is lost. And the worst part is, most of this happens without anyone noticing. That's where AnySecura comes in. AnySecura can restrict or completely block USB read and write access. Control how files can be shared or sent outside the organization. Outbound files can be configured with designated recipients, limited open counts, and granular permissions, such as allowing or blocking screenshots and modifications. When files are downloaded to local devices, they can be automatically or manually encrypted, with no option for users to downgrade or remove the protection. Prevent data leaks before they happen. AnySecura keeps every file under control.